Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can enable the hibernation option in your Windows 10 computer. So you want to use the hibernation option in your Windows 10 computer, but you can't figure out how you can enable that option. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to enable the hibernation feature in your Windows 10 computer in a very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. The hibernation feature was actually designed for laptops and tablets because this feature is not available in the desktop, because the hibernation feature what it does is it uses less power than the sleep option. So when you turn on the hibernation in your computer, what happens is your computer goes to sleep, but it uses less power, but all your works are still restored in your computer. So whenever you turn your computer back on, you will land right back where you turned it off. All your work will be right there. So you can usually use this feature when you know your computer, you're not going to use a computer for an extended period of time and you don't have the option to charge your computer. So that is when you can use the hibernation option. So to turn this on, what you want to do is simply tap on the start menu, then go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, what you want to do is go into your system settings. Once you go into your system settings, you'll land on an interface like this. Now this is the display settings. To turn this option on, what you want to do is go to the power and sleep settings. Once you do that, you land on an interface like this. From the right hand side list, what you want to do is simply select the additional power option settings. Then a new window like this will open. Now from here, from this interface, what you want to do is simply tap on the choose what the power button does from the left hand side list. Once you do it, you land on an interface like this. Now here you will see an off section. Now here you'll see a section labeled as shutdown settings, and here down you'll see all the list, but this will be grayed out. We can't be changing anything here. So to change it, what you want to do is tap on this change settings that are currently unavailable option. Then all the settings will be available. Now what you want to do is simply check this box beside the hibernation option, then tap on the save changes button. Then the changes will be made, your settings will be saved. Now what you can do is when you tap on the start menu and tap on the power option, here you'll see the option labeled as hibernate as well. Now you have successfully activated the hibernation option in your Windows 10 computer, so you can use it anytime you want from the start menu power options. So those were the simple steps in order to enable the hibernation option in your Windows 10 computer. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.